Okay, so today I wanted to show you guys what I do to get ready for a new planting season. So I wanted to show you what the worst part of my whole garden looks like, to show you guys why we always promote the non-weeding, non-tilling gardening approach. So you can see I've got a bed here with some corn coming up. There's some peanuts here on the edge, and it looks pretty cleaned up, and I don't have to worry about that bed. But this hot mess over here is a total disaster. It looks terrible. So we've got, this is a whole bunch of volunteer sweet potatoes that have come up. We've got some watermelon in here that is part of the reason I haven't cleaned these beds up, is because I've got this watermelon going everywhere. I've got these Swiss chard plants over here, and they've been here for 3 years now. And I've just been reluctant to get in here and clean it up. But you can see it's just a total disaster through here. You can't even see my walkways anymore. So I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to get this cleaned up. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been 30 minutes since I started, and you can see the progress I've made. We've got a lot of the beds, at least the big stuff, pulled out. I managed to not demolish all the Swiss chard there. I actually found a couple. Here's a strawberry plant that we managed to not kill over the season. I'm shocked. You can see we've got a real bad patch here of Bermuda grass. This is the worst it's been since I put my garden in 10 years ago. So you can see also over here we've got this nut grass that's just out of control. It looks like my raised bed here is finally totally broken down. All that wood is finally rotted out. And I just want to show what it looks like. Here's the pile that I have pulled out, just using the rake and pulling it out. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to weed eat this grass because I don't want to pull it. And then we're going to go digging for some sweet potatoes. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things, and this is stuff that I have learned over the years. I just wanted to share. So you can see here in just this little bitty spot where we've had some soil sitting, you can see all those roots. So if you let soil sit on your sidewalks, then if you just have 1/4 of an inch of soil, then you're going to have grass start growing in that soil, or weeds of some sort. Okay, so some people don't like the look of the sidewalks because it's a man-made material and they want to see all organic components out in your garden. But if you put anything, like if you want to put a mulch or anything on top of this sidewalk, it's going to break down and make soil, and you're going to defeat the purpose of using this, which is to not have to maintain your sidewalks. Okay. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys, so this was the last bed of our original raised bed system, and when I pulled our other raised beds out, this one was still in pretty good shape, and so I had left it in there, and it looks like it has about had it now. So I will be pulling this bed out. I'm going to pick up this sidewalk and move it over, and then I'm going to put some more sidewalk material down where this bed is so that we can keep these weeds from coming back in here again next season.